Welcome to my another video on personality development skills. In my last video, we discussed the different steps in an acronym called SHAPES. These are the steps required to have a positive mental attitude. We had seen two steps, the first two letters, namely the S and H. S stands for start your day with a positive note. The second letter H stands for have an attitude of gratitude. Now today let us see the third letter A. The letter A stands for avoid negative people or negative influences. So in our day-to-day life, we always come across people with positive and negative thinking. Some people are very cynical. They always have some complaints one way or another. What we have to do is we should be very careful in avoiding negative thinking people. I bring an anecdote. One day what happened, an eagle's egg was kept along with the hen's eggs, and the eagle egg also hatched, and as the chick started growing, it mingles with other hen's chickens, and all this chicken kept roaming here and there for their food. One day it was so happened that the eagle's chick saw the real eagle flying in the sky. So this chick asked the so-called chickens, what is that big bird flying there? Is it not possible that we can fly like that? The other chicken said, no, this is an eagle and we cannot fly like that. We can only run here and there, maybe 2 or 3 feet height we can fly to look for some other food. So this real eagle chick didn't know that it belongs to the same bird, same family. Why it is happening? Because bad influences. The mind is conditioned. If you are going to be with negative people regularly, then your mind also will be conditioned to think accordingly. So avoid negative people or negative influences. The fourth letter, P. This P stands for positive seeking. Means, as I said earlier, people always are there with the positives and negatives. Okay, we cannot ignore all the people. Instead, what we have to do, we must always try to look what are the positive thinking is there with the people. We must always look for positives in people to whom we are moving with. If you do it regularly, then you will have many more contacts, which will help you build a big network, which in turn really help you grow either in your career or in your personal life. So we have seen now today the 4 letters in acronym shapes, S, H, A, P. The other 2 letters, E and S, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.